So we're at Centennial Grove Trailhead. I think what we're going to do is ride out to Highway 93 on Skalkaho and then head north from there. So let's rock.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Alright, so coming up on Highway 93, I was gonna go north, but I think we'll go south and take Westside Road back to the north. Make it more of an adventure. Well, I've got to say, well, I have time here going slow. And it's a beautiful day to ride. Wow. And, by the way, we're on Roaring Lion, and we're going to go on to Westside Road right now. So where was I? Oh yeah, the Pirelli tires, as though the S-Max isn't just the perfect bang for your buck as far as fun and ability. The Pirelli tires, the Pirelli Angels, really brought it to that next level. In fact, I feel like the top speed is just a little higher. At every RPM range, I feel like I'm going faster than before, and I feel like I have just as much, if not more, control than before. I always getting better, but as soon as these tires went on, that took a big step up. Anyway, let's rock. Alright, so this is the brand new road they were paving while it was closed that one time. Smooth as silk. That whole new section of road felt amazing, especially on these tires. And one key thing is I never get overconfident, so the turns felt perfect. Back on Skalkaho, you saw the passing capability of this 155 Yamaha. But in this situation, blind hill, uphill, I'm just not going to mess with it. But he turned anyway, so we're good to go. Alright, here we are back to Westbridge Road. This will get us back into town. Damn! A deer crossed the road and I had the camera off. Shit, that could have been another good one. Alright, my friends, as we cross the Bitterroot River, heading back into town, we're going to call it quits on this video. Thanks for joining me. This is just a hobby, so if you come along, we're all just having fun. Catch you on the next one. Be alive, live free. See you later. Let's have some fun with a little tire magic, shall we? Oh, same tire, wrong color. Let's try that one more time. Bam! Pirelli Angels. Now in the back and the front. This is a Tanner.
Yeah.
22, about 10 years old or more.
Yeah.
So I just learned it and shot it. That was an awesome experience, and this thing is just really cool. Okay, clear. And this is me right up in the left corner. And just to give you an idea how big that is, here's my finger.